I just bought a house without seeing the inside of it. Who does that? This is what I just bought. This has to be tore down.
Oh god. Dude, I just found a treasure chest.
Look at all these turds. They called it the zombie house. Hey guys, Anthony Beckham here. Welcome to the channel where real estate is life. I just purchased this place last Friday. It's Wednesday now. I haven't had time to come over here. I've seen it from the outside, but I haven't gone inside of it yet. So I'm hoping that there's like, you know, cookies and gold and Victoria's Secret models and shit in there. But there could also be a bunch of stuff that I hate, like flip-flops or goat cheese or trash or But anyway, so we'll have to crack it open and see. I brought some tools, so hopefully we can like get the plywood off and check it out. If we look here, they have padlocks and shit all over everything. I don't have any keys, so it's just gonna be trying to figure this out. So let's explore it and take a look. Welcome to my crib. All right, so we've reached our first impasse here, where we gotta. In here, I don't have a key, so. Want to teamwork this?
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in. Maybe there's like valuable things in there. This could get really exciting. Oh.
I really don't want to go in here.
Believe me, I'm kind of hesitant about it too, but. Oh, it's just getting better and better. I can start to smell something already. What that is. I just figured there'd be a back door. And instead of us like crowbarring on the front door, that would be really noticeable to everybody. Coming in the back would make the most sense. I mean, everybody's here to see the reveal of the inside of this house. I just bought a house without seeing the inside of it. Who does that? I think at this point we've reached the next level where we're gonna need to go grab some tools if we're gonna get in this place. I think what we'll do is we'll go in through the garage, that garage door, and then hopefully there's a door from the garage into the house. I don't really know, so one step at a time. Looking at some tools, getting our way in here.
That is loud.
Dude, there's so many fucking nails in here. 25 fucking nails in there. This is gonna take us all night if we're gonna get in this front door. So I think we're gonna try going through the back garage door, because that's just like a door with a doorknob. I mean, I could probably kick that down if we had to. And then see if there's a door from in the garage to in the house. That's maybe a little bit less secure since they already have the garage all locked up. And so that one wouldn't be boarded up. I don't know, it's a gamble, but let's go check it out. All right, we got this big ass crowbar. We also have a 16-pound sledgehammer. We're getting in this son of a bitch. We're gonna have to use the last resort, which was the 16-pound sledgehammer, as our first resort, because we're running out of daylight. How stupid do I look?
I mean,
This
it's just a little bit more than usual.
This is pretty uncomfortable.
Alright, turn it on.
I don't know how.
Push the button.
How does that look?
Beautiful.
The more I smell this place, the less likely there's Victoria's Secret models in here. You ready?
Go.
Ready? Alright, one step down. There's a ladder. That's kind of cool. Oh gosh. Well, the good news, we made it in here. The bad news is it doesn't attach to the house, so.
Are you serious?
So now we've made it into the garage.
Dude. It looks like it's missing the main
Missing
component.
something, but. Well, I guess I'll take this home. Whatever it is. See, we're already. I'm only $25,500 in to this tool. We're already ahead. Is this over a door, you think?
I don't know the layout of this house. What was the story of this lady?
she was like, it was two sisters that inherited the place, I think, and one of them was just massive, according to the neighbors, what they were just telling me. And like, she fell down the steps and like spent a whole night just squirming around in the front yard. And then that's when like adult protective services were called, and they deemed the house unlivable and moved her into a home. So that's all I really know. I just know they inherited the house. And
But you said someone pushed her, or they were saying something?
yeah, they were saying that someone like had, which I kind of remember the sister telling me something about it. It's like she was assaulted.
It's kind of creepy.
And then they just like left her out in the front.
Some ghost pushed her?
I hope not.
The door.
I think we just found our way in, guys. I'm bored. If that isn't creepy, I don't know what is.
That is really creepy, dude. That's nailed shut too. You can only buy so many foreclosed homes before you find a haunted one. That's one way.
I think we're in.
I don't want to go inside. Yeah, dude, I feel like I'm filming a scary movie right now. I'm not joking.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, it's freaking creepy.
Dude, I think. Or are you just like.
Or give it a knock for real and see what happens.
Just like someone like opens that.
I would throw up.
God, I'm freaking myself out.
You know Jordan would just be like, yeah, I'll go right in there.
I don't know. He ain't gonna answer. He's gonna think it's about work. If you call him twice in a row, then it seems really important. Sales tip of the day.
Hold on. Stop.
Hey, dude, what are you up to?
Just ate 5 really good tacos that Chloe made.
Are you busy?
No, not right now. Well,
Just got scared is all it was. We're like 2 inches from getting inside this house, and it's just really creepy. Thought we needed to back up.
really? Get you. I'm kind of scared of that sort of stuff. It'll like make me all weirded out and stuff. There's a little decrepit house behind Winchester Elementary School, actually on the kind of the side of it. A couple buddies went in at one time, and it was clearly somebody that had like passed away and not returned, and like the house just became like condemned or something. And then I've been kind of freaked out of that stuff, you know?
All right, well, thanks for creeping me out extra. You were really helpful in this case.
Didn't help you knock on the door.
I mean, if there's like some sort of spirit and ghost stuff, I feel like it could very well be present there.
Stop.
Is it just a complete teardown scary?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I haven't been in it.
But good luck, man.
All right, bye.
Unfortunately. What was that? The whole door frame is...
The whole wall.
Oh, God.
Oh, my God.
Is it creepy?
No, dude. Oh, my God. This is what I just bought? This has to be tore down. This isn't even a joke, dude. Can you see that?
Oh, my goodness.
Someone was living here? How was somebody living here?
Dude, that's the creepiest freaking thing. Just throw it at it. Just throw the sledgehammer at the door.
The only way I could do it is if I like busted a hole out in the middle of the door. There's our in.
I was ready for that, but I got it.
Besides the spider webs. I think that's...
What is all in the jars?
body parts.
Dude, seriously, lift one of them.
No.
Dude, fuck you. Get out of here.
What? No fucking way.
Damn, I wanted to get you better than that though.
Dude, I heard it. I was like, there's someone back here.
Dude, come here.
I was gonna snarl. You wearing a mask, bro?
Oh yeah, it smells like asshole. Dude, I can't fucking believe that. Anybody who's watching this is gonna think that was planned. That.
No, that.
I was just in the middle of looking like to see what fucking body parts were in this jar too.
Wait, can you get through that? They got canned right there.
Oh my god.
So what do you think, man? Just bought this thing for $25.5. Good deal or what?
You did?
Yeah.
Did you like buy it or just
Yeah.
lock it in for? Oh,
No, I bought it. It closed last Friday.
What's your plans?
At this point, dude, this thing's fucking tear down. It would be a whole rebuild. I mean, this is pretty nuts though. We literally just got in here too. Like, I just threw the sledgehammer and it busted out that perfect square shaped hole to walk through. What the fuck is that? That's like a goddamn treasure chest.
Whoa.
What do you think's in it?
I don't know.
Dude, I just found a treasure chest. I'm gonna go see what you're seeing, and then you come over here with me, dude. There's a.
Dude, somebody shat in here for so long.
What do you mean?
Dude, there's a bunch of ass paper.
Look at all these turds.
There's so many turds, bro.
God. Are you seeing
So
many?
many.
Is the camera getting this?
Mhm.
Dude, look at all that shit.
Oh, my-
Literally.
it's all poop.
Gosh.
Alright, we gotta open that chest.
I should have brought a mask. We parked down the road with the intentions of,
Scaring me?
effectively scaring you guys, so.
I kind of hate you for that.
Dude. So
I-
he's like, is he gonna be mad? I'm like, probably
If
not.
if you would have got me better, yes, I would have been.
trying.
Because like this was all covered by a blanket, and I was like, dude, what if somebody just like lifted the blanket and we saw their face? Like,
Well, he knocked
And-
knocked on the door, and then we sat for a second, and we're like, alright, let's not do that.
Did you come across it?
they came through our website.
What did they say? It said it had a house to sell.
They called it the zombie house. The zombie house. That's what this video should be titled.
Dude.
Dude, what is up with these people?
Look at all this stuff they canned.
Is it good? I mean.
Feel free to take it.
Oh wow. What is, there's so much rat and poop in here and stuff.
Well, not quite Victoria's Secret models, but definitely a lot of shit.
Dude, that tuna.
Dude, there's just boxes of canned things.
Bumblebee tuna. Do you think that stuff's still good? There's one right here.
The home of COVID-19.
Open this up.
Oh my god!
Oh god, that's the worst. Anthony, check it.
Donna Summer. Empty though.
Oh my god.
Hey, Peter Paul. Gross.
It is so quiet in here.
Dude, has it just gotten nasty over time?
This is like the beginning of like. Have you ever watched like those Wrong Turn movies?
Yeah. Alright. Camera guy first.
I mean, that's the big thing. Like, we were. You would know the pain.
That's why we were all like, alright, we're good. 2 more people. Let's just go around.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden it wasn't so bad.
And Jordan's gone.
Jordan, you still alive?
Yeah.
I think he's digging this place.
Honestly, just in awe. It's brutal.
Well, honestly though, my contractor, he was like, just save it for this winter, and I'll be able to give you a good deal on labor, and we can rebuild it. You know, $100,000 or something like that.
Yeah.
After seeing the inside, like, that's like basically, well, you're redoing the foundation. You're building a brand new house, man. I mean, that's what you have to do. So, I mean, now that I've actually looked inside, I don't know how much money we're actually gonna make on this thing, but you know, life of a real estate investor, just roll with the punches. I mean, if we even made 10 grand, 10 grand's 10 grand, that'd be sweet. But we'll see. We'll see.
No, but I saw the PS2 box.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
PS2?
it was empty though. But it was a nice, like, pretty good condition, undented PS2 box. It's kind of weird. It caught my attention really fast. But I was like, well, I guess we'll hear about
pretty
this
wet.
tomorrow. And
And then
Oh, sorry. It's still kind of creeping me out, so like I keep looking over my shoulder to see.
I'm ready to go.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down here in the corner somewhere. It should be like my little face floating there. If you just click on it, then you'll be subscribed and you'll be able to see what we do at this place and what actually happened. So, bought this house without seeing the inside for $25,500. Now I know that it's fucking creepy and dilapidated, which I had a pretty good feeling, but I did not think it was gonna be that bad. I think remodeling this place is like next to not happening. So subscribe, hit that button, do what I did to that door there and smash the like button. I'll see you guys on the next one when I give you the update. So see you later.